I'd like to reveal something that I've been working on for some months now. As you can see, this is a terminal-based MIDI tracker for RC2014, an 8-bit Z80 computer. Why did I make this? Well, creating music is one of the things that I want to use my RC2014s for. I've made music using trackers for the SID sound chip as well as Amiga, and it's a very simple and intuitive way to compose. It works on a text-based screen and keyboard. It goes back to the Amiga and ST days, and is popular on music devices even today. It works like a vertical piano roll, analogous to a fairground organ punch card. And also because last year I designed and made my Mk2 MIDI Module for RC2014, and supplying hardware with an SDK or some simple examples isn't enough. I think most people want software that they can run and use. This version is a MIDI tracker, which means that while the Z80 is running the program and generating the notes, its output goes to external hardware for actually producing the audio. I like to use my MT32 Pi in either General MIDI or MT32 mode, which is what you're hearing now. But it can go to any MIDI device that can receive notes and make sound. As well as MIDI output, a MIDI keyboard can be used to input notes. It's a step input style. The keyboard allows you to enter a note, and you get velocity entered too for a bit of expression if you're using a MIDI keyboard. Unless the next note falls on the next 16th note, you then advance to the next step where you want to place a note. Piano mode simply routes the input to the output, so whether you're using your computer keyboard or a MIDI keyboard for note input, you'll just hear those notes rather than entering them, which allows you to play around and find that amazing tune or banging bass line before committing it to the track. I have written a full help text file, but I've also built in this menu style help activated with the question mark key. It's a reference rather than working menus, but it does switch mode as you tab through the menus, and it shows you the keyboard shortcuts that you need. As you may have spotted there, you can copy and paste a note, or you can mark a range and copy and paste a block of notes to repeat a phrase, copy to a different track, or even a different pattern. So to build up longer songs from short patterns, this allows you to create a number of different patterns, which you can repeat if you need to. Your arrangement is here in the song editor. For playback, if I hit space, it'll play the current pattern. With the P key, it'll play back the song as per your arrangement. So that's where this project is now. It's working well enough for me to work on this demo tune. It's loading and saving. I've been developing on the 32K RC2014 Mini and Classic machines, but I'll shortly be building it for CPM and ROM WBW machines, and adding this application and this demo music to the software examples that I supply with the Mk2 MIDI module. After that, it's a very short step to make a 3-track version that will send its output to the AY or YM chip, which is a popular sound module used on the RC2014. Since the MIDI input is optional, and in that case it won't be using the MIDI output, that version of the application won't require extra hardware beyond your AY sound module. I haven't kept a mailing list of people who have bought my Mk2 MIDI module, but if you have one and would like this beta software, please get in touch. There's a link to the MIDI module in the description if you'd like one. I'm going to keep working on this demo music this week and publish that on the main channel as this week's Sunday Jam. This is a cut down version of a piece I made on the Amiga some time ago. I'll also provide a link to that video.